Hey guys, this is John for the 321ecommerce.net tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing the next part after the registration process. Now this is going to happen when this part is when you actually receive the email from the activation server and you clicked on it, and then we're back here at the login screen. So on the login screen, we're going to put in the email address that we signed up with, the password that we signed up with using. Okay, click on the I'm not a bot and you're good to go. Click sign in. Okay, now this is what you see on the screen here. We're going to go into what we have on the top part here. On the top part, we have the 3 bars, the upper left as the menu, and we have the floating menu bars here. Okay. So you can click on the 3 bars on the left, and then out goes the menu. Click it again, it's going to show up again. Okay, so now let's go through each one of these things. So you have the App Store, right? And you have the Apps Cart. This is the App Store where you can select the different apps that you wanted to buy or to use for the company and buy. And then you have the Apps Cart to see what you have on your cart. There's nothing there now. And as you can see, the more items we click on the menu, the main menu, the more items. If it's not listed here already, if it doesn't have an open tab, it's going to open up a new tab for that particular item, menu item, main menu item. So we'll open up the 2 tabs here at the bottom. Next one, we're going to click on the apps. Now what it does, these are your active apps, meaning these are the apps that you've already bought and hasn't expired yet, because the expiry comes on a cycle. So if you bought a yearly app, then this is going to be active for 1 year. If you bought a monthly app, this is going to be active only for 1 month. So at the end of 1 month, it's not going to show up here. So what you need to do is go back to the App Store again and buy the same app again. All right. So that's the apps menu. Next, we have the help. Now the help, there's 2 items here for now. We're going to be adding more on the help menu here. You have the check status. Now this is to make sure that everything's still good in your environment variables. Next one, we have documentation. Documentation, we're going to be adding more documentation about the different apps that we have. Also, we're going to have video tutorials like this one. You can see that on the documentation part. We're going to be adding more on the documentation part as time goes on. And different documentation that we have so far. Okay, and we have the security option, which is the change password. This is where you change your password from the old password to the new. All right, that's kind of like a quick summary of what the initial screen that you're going to see. Thank you for joining us. Watch out for the next tutorial. Bye for now.